International Day cho the Wisconsin na pe cho student ho college pe International Day cho different culture different country nhà đô pe cho cha mong cái cái mong trồng mong kiểu nào mà họ mong cái cái mong kiểu nào họ sao mong này đến này ở Việt Nam đây là student từ Việt Nam tới hay cho coffee hay cho cái nhỏ rồi thì chơi Việt Nam rồi đi chơi nó thành ra đó nó này.
Okay.
Tới này nhưng mà gì đấy thì the night the teacher you have to hold collection
Should not work. Should stay. Okay. I understand.
How are you doing?
The student oh, very nice. You bring many things, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, very nice. From Mexico?
Yeah.
Oh, the shoe. Can I take some picture?
Yeah, you can.
Very nice.
This is
Oh, the clothes.
yeah, it's
Oh, special clothes, right?
yeah.
Oh,
it's
the hat.
hat. Yeah.
The shoe.
Yeah.
Have many things different, huh? Oh, very nice.
These are made for
Oh,
Mexican
this one,
woman.
Mexico can make
Yeah.
like this one. Oh,
Yeah.
look like the monk.
Oh,
Yeah, monk can make like this one too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is beautiful.
Yeah,
For me,
yeah, like this one, monk also.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. So look like the same, but the monk is smaller, the small style.
Yeah, but it's
But
beautiful.
look like the same.
Your mother made this?
Yeah,
or-
my mother and some people, many people, they can make this one for sale.
Wow, beautiful.
So the monk they can make like this one too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's more big.
They can make flower. They can make the place. They can make the many people in the country. They make different style.
Oh,
Yeah.
but you bring your dress.
My dress
Yeah, you sweet.
for my dress.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can make all complete the dress.
Oh,
Yeah, we can make like this one all complete the dress. But this one only the general. This one for general only, but the other one complete.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, complete.
See
So
some of the nice work.
in my wearing only general monk tradition.
oh yeah.
Yeah. Because we're talking about the culture, so we just use the general clothes.
Yeah.
We not wearing the new style clothes. New style clothes they have many beautiful clothes, but we just use the general clothes only because we're talking about the culture. So we should
Traditional clothes.
additional
And
clothes.
is this the money?
Yeah, this one
From
the money.
Laos?
This one the
Oh, yeah,
money.
it says 10 cents.
Before
In English,
the
it says 10 cents.
no, before this one the real money, but right now only the grace copy only.
It's a copy.
Yeah, copy.
Okay.
But the traditional before is the real money.
real money.
Yeah, they use the real money before, but right now just only the grace.
So this is not.
yeah, now-
I could not use this money.
No. This one not.
And it says, what does it say? It says France or something. No,
Now it's not real money.
not the real money.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful though. A lot of detail.
And this one monk flute. The one send the
yes.
Zhou to reincarnate again.
Yes, that's right. I remember when you told me about that and you showed me the picture. So do you have a real instrument? And
Yeah,
You have
we have.
one?
Yeah, we have one.
And you can play it? You know how
Not.
to play it?
Yeah, I know, but not so good.
Not very well.
Not
Okay.
very well. Just only little bit. Just playing.
Make the sounds.
Yeah, make the sound. because they have different song, a long song to play. Only the father, the grandfather, they can play very well.
Wow.
Yeah,
And at a funeral every time, right?
yeah, the funeral every time. If no the monk flute and no monk drum cannot make a funeral.
Okay.
Yeah, cannot make. Should be have.
You need it.
Yeah, must be have.
Must have it.
Must have.
Yo creo que sí, sí conocí a muchos lugares de México.
Very nice student today. Different country, different topic. Yeah, very beautiful today. Yeah. I will take some picture
Yes.
for memory.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, good. You did great. Good job. All right, who wants to practice next? I will listen to someone.
Marianne, you already practice?
Yep, 2 or 3 sentences. Oh, can't leave while I'm still here? No, just wait till you're done.